From the main menu, hit Select to highlight Prime Calibrate. Enter. Select to highlight Prime. Turn the auger valve button to on. Engage the tractor hydraulics. Hit Start, and the auger will turn the number of revolutions set, in this case 1, to prime the auger. After priming, go to Calibrate. 4 revolutions tends to fill the bucket for most products. Highlight and hit Start. It will rotate at the determined speed up to the number of revolutions set, in this case 4. It will auto stop, and that's how you prime and calibrate. At any point in time, if you want to turn the auger valve off and re-engage the Bale lift circuit, hit this button. A warning message will come up to make sure that your tractor remote is in the neutral position. So just verify that before hitting yes. After doing that, your Bale lift will again be active. From the menu, highlight timed metering and hit enter. For this scenario, we're going to pre-process 10 1,200 pound bales and incorporate 2,000 pounds of corn. It takes 2 minutes to process each bale for a total of 20 minutes. So hit the setup button, reset your job and progress bar if need be. Enter feed setup. So our target, we decided, is 100 pounds per minute. From our calibration, we got 7 pounds per revolution of corn. To change the product, highlight it, hit enter, and hit select until the product is highlighted and hit enter. Because we're doing 2,000 pounds in 10 increments, we want our stop weight to be 200 pounds. And then we want to save this value for later. Go back to the timed metering menu, turn your auger valve on, engage your tractor hydraulic, and hit start when you're ready to begin processing. For this example, we're going to be feeding 80 cows, and we're going to be feeding them 2 bales, each which typically process over 200 feet. We want to feed 5 pounds per head of oats for a total of 400 pounds. Therefore, we're going to be processing over 400 feet, and we want 400 pounds, so we want to set this to 1 pound per foot. So enter the setup screen, clear your job if necessary, go to feed setup and hit enter. We want 1 pound per foot. From our calibration value, we got 5.2 pounds per revolution, and we are using oats. Start driving, turn your auger valve on, engage your tractor hydraulics, start processing the bale, and then hit start to begin inserting grain. Our bale has been fully processed, so hit stop, turn your tractor remote off, turn the auger valve off, double check your tractor valve is in the neutral position before hitting yes. Load your next bale. To check the amount of each product used, you can highlight total outputs in the main menu and hit enter. This will show you what you've done recently, and you can also see how much you've used since the last reset. So we've fed barley, oats, and corn recently. If you'd like to reset one, highlight it and hit reset selected. Hold to reset. If you'd like to reset all values at the end of a season, hit reset all and hold yes to reset to 0.